Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make stir-fried cauliflower. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Add 2 slit green chillies. Saute this for a few seconds and add 2 finely chopped onions, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a little salt. Saute this for some time and add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for 2 minutes. Now add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix well and add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Cover it with the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Now add 2 cups of washed cauliflower florets and a little salt. Stir well. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 20 minutes. Stir occasionally. Now add half a teaspoon of Garam masala powder and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Cook this without the lid for 5 minutes. Now add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix well and turn off the flame. Now it's ready. This will go nice with rice or chapati. Please try it out and post your feedback.